In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up online matches to play with your friends. Now, the first thing that I want to make very clear is that as it stands today, it is impossible to do split screen or couch co-op in Shinobi Striker. For whatever reason, this game does not feature any form of split screen, so you will not be able to connect additional controllers to the same platform and play with your friends. You can only do this online. Each of you will need to have your own copy of the game and be playing on your own computer or console. So once everyone has an account set up with the game, there are two main ways to play together. The main one, if you have a lot of people, is going to be the Hokage's office. So go to the Hokage's office and in here, choose survival exercise. In here, you will be able to set up a 6-player lobby. Of course, you don't need 6 people to play together with friends, but the maximum is going to be 6. So when you choose survival exercise, set up a practice lobby. This will take you back to the overworld, and now you will be able to invite your friends. So if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see all of the options related to the battle, and if you open the player list by pressing the touchpad on your controller or by pressing any button displayed on PC, you will find your friends list and the people who are in the lobby. Now you can invite them from here. Just choose any of your friends and you will find the option at the bottom right. Send out the invites, and once they accept and populate the player battle, you will be able to start. All of you will be put in the same map together and you can battle against each other. Now the difficulty with doing this is that there is always going to be a bot unless you get 6 people in. So there's always going to be 6 players, and whenever you bring someone in, one last bot. So keep that in mind. If you play with 2 people, there's going to be 4 bots. If you play with 3 people, there's going to be 3 bots, and so on. But another way to do co-op gameplay is going to be through the VR Ninjutsu Arena. In here, you can do the exact same steps, so invite your friends to the lobby. Once you have them on your player list, you can go over to the arena and choose co-op missions. Choose any of the missions available, and all of you will be on the same map together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.